today we're on our way to a bird control job. They have a problem with pigeons. So what we'll be looking to do is put up a net and prevent the pigeons from pooing on the balcony. Obviously the diseases you can get from the poo is a concern, potential slip hazards and damage from the foulings on surfaces. So we're here to do a netting job on a balcony. The building behind me is the one we're working on, so we can go and have a look and see how bad it is. So we're up on the balcony now. As you can see, it's quite a lot of places for pigeons to sit. So what we're looking to do is put spikes on the top to stop the birds pooing down onto the balcony. And then we're going to fix a net to the outside so the birds can't fly on and live on and harbour on the balcony. We're going to be cleaning the floor and biociding the whole area. And then, yeah, let's get started, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So now we've finished, we've installed 50mm bird netting. That will stop birds getting on the balcony and the customer will have no more issues.